How to open RBC Royal Bank account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for RBC Royal Bank account, sign up. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first site, join RBC. You will be landing on the official page of Royal Bank. Click on sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Now wait for a while for it to load. In this page, click on Enroll in Online Banking. Scroll down and it will ask you, who do you want to enroll today? Let me click on My Business and then click on Enroll Now. Now what you want to do is, first of all, enter your business client card number. After that, enter the business postal code. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. Then you have to follow the on-screen process, and then your Royal Bank account will be created successfully, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can open RBC Royal Bank account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.